for an effective way to burn calories and get in better shape but don't have much room? The XTERRA Fitness FB150 folding bike is the perfect exercise tool to help you comfortably pedal away the calories. To ensure a smooth and sturdy workout, the FB150 utilizes our solid X-frame design with thick steel tubing and a silent belt drive system. Challenge yourself with 8 levels of resistance, while you easily keep track of all of your workout data with the easy-to-use console. It provides feedback on your speed, distance, time, calories, and pulse, along with a convenient scan feature. Make your workouts more effective by easily monitoring your heart rate with the handlebar-mounted hand pulse sensors. For improved comfort, the FB150 provides a large anatomically designed thick padded seat and large multi-grip padded handlebars. With folded dimensions under 17 inches by 18 inches and built-in transport wheels, it allows you to store it away when not in use and free up valuable floor space. Start the journey towards achieving your fitness goals today with the XTERRA Fitness FB150 folding bike.
Welcome to JOROTO store. With near-silent belt drive and adjustable magnetic resistance, JOROTO X2 is a great choice for indoor workout. It can support 280 pounds. The seat and handlebar are both 4-way adjustable to suit for different people. This bike has a multi-use support holder. It can support iPad, mobile phone, water bottle, hand weights, and other objects. The wide seat is comfortable for a long time ride. The toe-caged pedals are anti-skid and adjustable to protect your feet while in fast cycling. The bike is designed with high-quality belt. It is wear-resistant and free maintenance. JOROTO X2 bike uses magnetic resistance. It is without friction and near-silent. It comes with a digital monitor. You will be able to see your results to keep you motivated and on pace. The bike provides 4 grips position for different workout purpose. The high-quality 30 pounds flywheel is smooth and stable. With a simple twist, you can control the workout tension. The bike allows you standing to cycle with the extension grip. You will feel like you are climbing the mountain. You can also cycle in the sitting position and enjoy the music or movies at the same time, which makes the workout more interesting and easy. There is a brake function. You can push down the knob to stop the flywheel and finish the workout. With 2 front wheels, you will be able to move the bike easily. Enjoy fitness and enjoy life with JOROTO X2. Thank you for watching.
Get on and go with the SFB1002 belt drive indoor cycling bike. The heavy-duty steel frame construction is strong and durable. 49-pound solid chrome flywheel will spin longer and increase the stability. The handlebars can accommodate different hand positions related to the cycling movements. The belt drive mechanism is virtually silent and smooth. The heavy-duty crank will provide optimal power with every pedal stroke. Adjustable toe cages will keep feet secure and avoid slipping forward. Adjust the resistance with the micro-adjustable tension knob. Push-down brake will safely slow or stop the flywheel. Adjust seat height and move the seat forward or backwards. Get the perfect grip with the adjustable handlebars. Simply tilt and move the bike easily with the high-quality transportation wheels. Commit to get fit today with the SFB1002 indoor cycling bike by Sunny Health and Fitness.
Hi, my name's Brianne, and I'm here to introduce you to the Exerpeutic Folding Magnetic Upright Bike. Now, as a trainer, I want to let you know this is an excellent tool for shedding fat, burning calories, and increasing your cardiovascular health, all within the comfort of your own home. It is easy to store and super comfortable. All right, let's hop on and get started. First, you want to make sure that you are able to adjust those foot straps to your foot size, which is not only going to ensure comfort, but a safe ride. Starting from the ground up, you're going to be in a nice neutral position. This wide seat allows you to sit comfortably, and what I love about this bike is that you are actually in a very comfortable upright position right off the bat. You're going to grab onto the handlebars, relax your shoulders away from the ears, and keep those abs super tight. Now remember, this bike is designed for all sizes. Next, let's take a look at the monitor. Now in front of you, you have a large, easy to read, performance LCD monitor. As a trainer, there's a lot of measurables that I like to track with my workouts and my clients' workouts. In front of you, you have the ability to see your heart rate, your speed, your calorie burn, and your total time, and your distance. That allows you to not only track your workouts, but progress your workouts and hit your goals. One of my favorite features is the 8-level magnetic tension control system. This is going to allow you to challenge yourself and never get bored. But remember, as you get fitter, you got to crank up that tension to keep challenging your body. Now, as you can see, this is an absolutely incredible bike. It folds up to half its size. It's super easy to store. What are you waiting for?